Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Beats Studio wireless buds. Let's unbox and review these trending tech gems of 2024. Inside the sleek packaging, we find the Beats Studio buds themselves, a pocket-sized charging case, and ear tips in 3 different sizes. You also get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. Note that the USB-C power adapter is sold separately. These earbuds feature a stylish design. They're lightweight and come with 3 soft ear tip sizes. This ensures a stable fit while providing an optimal acoustic seal. Comfort is key, especially for long listening sessions. Now, let's talk about sound. The custom acoustic platform delivers powerful, balanced sound. Users can easily switch between 2 listening modes, active noise cancelling and transparency mode. This versatility is perfect for any environment. Battery life is impressive. You get up to 8 hours of listening time. When combined with the charging case, that extends to a total of 24 hours. Perfect for all-day use. Thanks to industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth, the connection range is extended, and dropouts are minimal. They are compatible with both Apple and Android devices, making them versatile for everyone. The built-in microphones ensure high-quality call performance and seamless interaction with voice assistants. This feature is a game-changer for multitaskers. Worried about sweat or rain? Don't be. These earbuds are IPX4 rated, making them sweat and water resistant. Ideal for workouts or outdoor activities. In conclusion, the Beats Studio wireless buds pack a punch with powerful sound, excellent battery life, and a comfortable fit. They're perfect for anyone looking for quality audio on the go. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.